Let's flush the power steering system on a Toyota Tacoma. This is going to be very similar on almost all of your Toyotas. If my memory calls correctly, they're pretty much all set up this way. What you're going to want for this job is the correct fluid for your system. This Tacoma uses Dexron 3, I believe. You can pull the cap off and look at your cap, it'll tell you. And if you're not sure, refer to your owner's manual. But you're going to want fluid, you're going to want some pliers, a few rags, a funnel, and depending on how you want to do this, we're just going to put a bottle in here, but you can take this line off and attach another line to run it out from under your truck. But the first step is we're going to remove this line right here, the small line. Take that clamp, move it back, pull the line off. We're going to cap this container, and then we're going to get us a jug to run this hose into to collect our old fluid. So let's get that done. Alright, so we're going to remove our line, just kind of work it off, and we're going to try to pop this cap on here as quick as possible without making too big a mess maybe. I know I'm probably blocking y'all and I apologize, so there's that. Now we're going to want to take preferably something clear so that way you can see what color your fluid is. And we're just going to put that hose in it, just like that. Now with that being done, you're going to take your top off, move it out of the way, and you're going to make sure your system is at the full mark, top it off. Then what we're going to do is go in there with your wheels off the ground, go ahead and jack your vehicle up, get your tires off the ground, your front tires. You're going to turn the key on, do not start it or you'll make a mess. Turn the key on, but don't crank it. And we're going to slowly turn the wheel from all the way left to all the way right, vice versa. Do that a few times, check your fluid, check your container it's draining into, and you'll be able to see what color it is. So I'll go ahead and do that real quick so maybe y'all can see it happening. My fluid level is a little low, so I didn't want to turn it too much, but hopefully y'all can see some fluid going into that bottle. Now what you're going to look for is to have nice pretty red fluid. So let's pull, we can get our bottle out. See, our fluid's nice and pretty. We've actually already flushed this. I just didn't make a video of it, so I figured we'd do it again. Your fluid more than likely is going to be pretty dark. When your bottle starts getting filled up, empty it, stick it back under the hose, top off, and keep doing until you get a nice pretty red fluid. Now to make this a little bit quicker, if you do have a vacuum pump or a suction hose, you can suction out all the old fluid before you start putting new in there, and that'll just help it go a little bit quicker. So hopefully that helps you. Once all that's done, just pop your hose back on and you're good to go. Just make sure you keep your fluid at the correct level because you don't want to get air in your system. Hopefully that helps you out. If it did, let me know. If it didn't, let me know. If you found it useful, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next video.